everyone. Welcome to another video. In this video, we will discuss an important use case regarding custom page or canvas app with Dataverse table, right? So there is a requirement that this there will be a custom page where the form control there is a form control here, and this form control is bound to an entity called as appointment, and in the appointment we have a polymorphic lookup called as customer. Now, if I'll go to the model dev app, I can show you that this is a lookup that can be connected to either a contact or an account. When it is one entity lookup, right, like doctor, this is a lookup which is connected to only one entity. But this is a column which is pointing to polymorphic lookup, either contact or account. So whenever you are dealing with these polymorphic lookups in custom page or canvas apps, and you add that field inside your form, it will not automatically display or automatically add the combo box. Like in here, whenever I have added here, if I'll go to the field list, when I added this doctor, it creates a combo box for me and creates a card for this form, and this is bound to the doctor list. Let me just change the default mode to new so that I can show you that. So you convert to new and click on play. You see, this is a lookup which is pointing to user entity, and I can see the data is showing here. But whenever I will add patient field, let's say I'll go here, and in the field I will add a field called as patient. Now this patient is a polymorphic lookup. When you add this, it will not create a combo box for you. Okay, you see, this is creating a placeholder where you can add components. It is telling that you can add components for this patient card because it is a polymorphic control. This doctor lookup is a single entity lookup. That's why it is no issue. But here you need to manipulate something in the form. So because your patient may be connected to a contact or account. So what you can do, you can just you can just add a label and represent this as, for example, patient. I want only to display contact records here in this combo box. So I'll add a combo box here. You have to customize this on your own because it is polymorphic lookup. Now this is the combo box, and I will give a name here, CMB patient. In model driven app, I can choose either account or contact. But in here, in Canvas app or custom page, you have to create this combo box dynamically. Okay. Right now, I want to bind with only contact so that contacts can be selected. If you want to manipulate both account and contact, you have to make it dynamic. I mean, the items property uh, should be dynamically bound here. Okay. Now I want to connect with contacts. So what I'll do, I'll select contacts and select the view all contacts, and I want to select the field full name, no other column. Okay. Now remove this email also. Now it will display full name. Now if you run it, you'll see I can see all the contacts. Okay, like here it is automatically displayed doctors or users. Here it is bound contact records. Okay, but this is not sufficient. Creating combo box and binding to your entity is not sufficient. You have to bind this card to your form, otherwise it will not be shipped to your dataverse whenever you create appointment. Let me test that. Right now let me run it and give some sample value here, sample visit, and give the data here. Let's say appointment date is today, tomorrow, start date tomorrow, and date is draft no, and doctor, let's say this one, and patient this one. Okay, I selected a patient, selected a doctor, and appointment date. Now click on create appointment. There will be no error. Okay, appointment created successfully. If I'll go to the model driven app and refresh this appointment view, I can see that this is the record that is created from sample from the custom page. Doctor is associated correctly, but patient is not. Why? Patient lookup is already here. I have already selected last time, right? Let me just again go here and show you that, just changing the mode from edit to new, right? So here I have already selected the patient and clicked create appointment, but it didn't went to the database to submit data. It is still blank. Why? Because although you created a combo box to display the contacts in this combo box, this combo box data has not been bound with this card, because in form control in Canvas app or custom page, this card represents a field. Now, how to pass this combo box selected value to your card so that it will take this value from this combo box selected value? Go to this card patient in advanced, unlock to change properties. You will find there is an option called as update. Okay. If you scroll down, you will find there is an option called as update. In this update, you need to connect your combo box selected item or selected value. So write down CMB patient dot selected. This is what the value that will bound to your form control. Now if you save and run it, the selected value of the patient will be now shipped to your database when the form is submitted. Let me test it. Click on play. Let's say final test and give some appointment date. And choose a patient, let's say this one, and click on create appointment. Now the appointment gets created. Now you see there is an error. So each draft should be sorry, doctor should be there. I missed the doctor, that's why. So choose a doctor, let's say this one, and create appointment. Now let me check what is the error. Let me check. Scheduled start date must be less than equal to schedule end. Sorry, I have a wrong input here. It should be end date should be more than the start date. Now click on create appointment. Now this time the record created successfully. Let me go to the appointment and check it in model driven app. Now this is the appointment that has been created, final test. And now the magic here. You see the patient is connected. So this connection is important. Okay. Whenever you are using form control, this update property is very much required to connect your control with your form field.